How to fix your iPhone overheating. Here are a few things that you can do to stop overheating on your Apple device. The first tip might sound basic, but it is also very crucial to stop your phone from overheating. It is basically keeping your phone in a cool environment and using a phone case that is not too thick that can possibly trap heat inside your phone and cause overheating. The next thing you can do is go to your settings application on your iPhone device and scroll all the way down until you see the battery section. Go ahead and tap on it. Now inside the battery health and charging, you are going to make sure that the optimized battery charging is turned on. Turning it on reduces the battery aging and basically will start trickle charging after 80% of battery. Another crucial tip is to stop using high-performance games, which basically leads to overheating. You might also be experiencing overheating while you download your latest software, but that is completely normal. And that's it. This is how you can fix your iPhone overheating. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.